Hi, my name's Tom Halbert. I'm the sales manager at Way. We're here today in our showroom and reviewing some of our products. This right here is our 17-inch cast iron griddle. It has a drip tray that will catch any grease that falls through the hole. It has the largest cooking capacity of any griddle in the RV industry. It enables you to cook eggs, bacon, and pancakes at the same time. So this would be great as a replacement to a grill or in addition to a grill. It's easily cleaned. Just remove the cast iron grate, clean it. You can cook hamburgers, steaks, anything that you would cook on an outdoor grill. Most of these are set up in an outside kitchen on a pull-out tray, along with a refrigerator and a sink. So this product will be displayed on our website and also on Amazon.com for purchase. A lot of these will come already in your unit. If it's not, please contact your dealer or get on our website to purchase.